I just wanted to come on here and talk about my new veneers, my Pop On Veneers. They come in this little case. It's very nice. They also come with a pack of the tablets, so you can keep them clean. It's the same tablets you use if you have like false teeth. They come with this little brush so you can clean them, but they're super easy to maintain, super easy all the way around for everything to put in, take out, all of it. I am very grateful for them, but all you do, stick them in, pop them on. Simple, easy, right? So I would suggest if you're in the, missing teeth, or, you can't get to the dentist right away or whatever, I would strongly recommend getting these. You get up to 2 free remakes. If you don't like the first ones, you can send them back and they'll remake them and send you another one. Other than that, thank you for my amazing new smile and my confidence.